Okay, so if you want to switch from different users, if you want to switch manage your Chrome with multiple profile, as if you want to log into Facebook on different profile, you don't want to use the same profile. This is what I mean by profile, right? If you want to switch a profile, this is where you come to this avatar here, you click on your name or your picture, right? So for me, I have different profile here. These are other, you see, other Chrome profiles, right? So this is Gmail account, this is Gmail account. All of this does not necessarily need to be a Gmail account. You can simply just click on add, right? When you click on add here, is either you sign in or you continue without an account. What this means is that you don't want to log into any Gmail account. You just want to use a browser like that. So if you don't have a Gmail account that is linked to anything you want to do, let's just say, for example, you want to open a new Facebook account and you want to log into the mail. If you don't have access to the Gmail and you don't want to sign in, you don't want to log in, just continue without account, right? So pick a name. You can pick a name. Just name it anything you want to do. Maybe art, max, anything, right? After that, you click on done. You are set, right? So you come here, you log into the Facebook account. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I wanted to do, right? And that's all. Now this is still your Chrome browser, but it's not the the default your default browser. You see, so once you open it like this, you see you have icon here. You have icon. This is the normal one you were using. This is the other one you just open, right? This is the other one you just open. So this is what I wanted to do. Just profile add a profile. If you have a Gmail that you want to log in, fine. If you don't have, just do what I did, right? Add profile and continue without accounts and pick a name, and that's all, right? So for me, I have a lot of it here. I have, because most of them are not mine. I used to work for my clients, right? So that's what you are expected to do.